this is the start of this video here. This is what I come up with for workshop storage. I've been meaning to do this for a while now, so I want to get nice and organised, and this is going to be my backdrop for my YouTube channel. That's why I went a wee bit overboard with it. So my plan is to do a work table here, the same sort of theme. An 8x4 good size work table, and I said this here is going to be my backdrop, so I'll give you a look around it here and see what you think. So these wee tubs, they're just wee cheap tubs, and I stuck a few stickers on it. I got them out of B&Q for £2.70. Once Milwaukee comes out with the crate over in the UK, they're a reasonable price at the minute. You can only buy them for £50. They're far too dear. So once they drop to about 20 quid or something, I'll replace these, so I will. But they'll do for now. And then I want to build a couple of shelves in here, but there's going to be my charging station. I haven't much in the drawers at the minute. I've just finished it there. As you can see, they're handy for all them wee bits and pieces that I have. I don't think I have much in the rest of them. Just a couple of wee bits. And in this tall cupboard here, I'm going to build more shelves. Whenever I got the kitchen, I meant to say this is just a second-hand kitchen that I used. So here, that's where the cooker and oven used to be. So I had to just make a wee simple door for it. And then there's plenty of storage up. I don't know what to do with these glass cabinets. Might just put a few wee fancy things in it. I painted it black, the back of it. Just to blend in a bit better. And then I put them the wee lights for under it. And then I bought this LED light here, which is right and good. There's loads of light, so there is. So that's it. We'll get into the video here and show you how I done it. Alright folks, I'm just doing a wee video here on my workshop, organising it. I'm getting an old second-hand kitchen. So I want to get organised. I have big plans for this workshop. I'm going to start here. Now I have a bit of a storage shed. I can put all my landscaping tools and stuff that I don't need in the workshop, because I want to turn this into a proper woodworking shop and metalworking shop. So I'm going to start here. As I say, I want to get an old second-hand kitchen. So I'll bring this over. So here I bought some shelves just to put stuff in at the door, like some Milwaukee tools and stuff. I can just set them there and pull them out, put them into the van when I need them. And then from here onwards is going to be the kitchen. I'm going to do like a plywood back here and put proper plug sockets. Whereas before I was just using this thing here stuck to the metal. I didn't want to bore you taking all this out and tidying everything up. So I'll get all that done. I'm gonna have to put the sawmill on hold to get this done, and then once I get everything organised I can start it again. As you can see, the place is a bit of a mess, and over here, this side I want storage for all my woodworking tools, and then here I'm going to put all these solar panels. These are for jobs that I do, so these want to go into the storage shed now, and I want this side till about where the solar panels end there. I want that all metalworking, so my welder, eventually going to get a plasma cutter and stuff. Just this side I just want metalworking stuff. I might even put up a wee place for to cut metal with a wee chop saw that I have. Just show you up here too. Don't mind the mess. So once I get that done, down there, here I want all drawers and cupboards the whole way down here, and have a proper miter station. Up here all them shelves and all are sagging because I'll just MDF. I just threw it together. It was meant to be temporary, but it's been here for years now. So I want all cabinets and drawers the whole way along here, and up here I want storage too. And then next to this wee metal cutting saw, I'm going to move down there where the metalworking side is. So that's another project. And in here, that's where I store all my timber and stuff. I want to get that all organised. And then this is my workbench. I thought I would have used this all the time, but I ended up hardly ever use it. It just stuff ends up getting set on it because it's too high to work on. So I want to redo a new workbench and have it about this height to make it handier to use. It's just too high and too big to move around. So I want to make it a wee bit lower and a wee bit smaller, and instead of these bins here that just collects all rubbish, I want proper drawers on both ends, and then maybe cupboards inside here. So that's the plan, but first things first, I'm going to do this bit here, tidy up all this storage area. So as I say, first things first, get all this done for storage and get all this organised, and then I can put all these tools in cupboards and put them out of the road in here, because at the minute they're just lying everywhere. I'll show you what I got in the van here. I just went and bought a load of plywood. There's 10 sheets there, 2 sheets of 18mm ply and 8 sheets of 12mm ply. And then I bought those shelves there. They're like plastic shelves for when you walk in the door. I always want to make them, but it didn't cost that much for that shelving. Oh, it's right in big, so it is. So that's it. I'll get stuck in here and get back to you once I get this place tidied up and get the kitchen picked up. Alright, I just want to get into this video here now. I'll just show you what I've done so far. I've just screwed 2 sheets of plywood to the wall here and run some wires for plugs to go in here and here, some here, and the way I had to do it, I had to put on some timber, screw it either side, here and here, and then that allowed me to screw the plywood to it, and then screw the kitchen cabinets to the top here, and I left a bit at the bottom here to screw the kitchen cabinets to as well. So I'll just show you what I'm working with here. This old kitchen here that somebody gave me. There's drawers at the top of all of them. Some of them are false there, so I want to make drawers. Some of them I just want to make the drawers myself, because I like drawers and for my tools and stuff to go into. So with this here, this is a 600 unit. This is where the cooker went in. So I want to make the door here, I'll put more shelves in there, and then I want to make another one of these down the far end, so they're equal. Down this far end here, I want to make one as well, just so it looks equal. And then, as I said, get some units going along the top here, and then I want to run a piece of wood along the top, and have lights, a light here, and lights under the cabinets as well. So I'll stick these on time lapse here. This here still needs to give it a wee sand and not coat of paint. It's real cold temperature at the minute, so that's why I have that heater on to try to dry it a wee bit. But as I say, I'll stick these on time lapse and start putting these kitchen units in. Alright folks, that's going to do it for this video. If you've made it to the end of the video, thanks for watching. Hit the thumbs up for me and please subscribe if you're not already a subscriber. If you want, I'm going to do a wee follow-up video on putting my tools into the drawers and cupboards, so stay tuned for that. And as I say, I'm going to do another video on building this work table, same sort of theme, and getting this workshop, the rest of it organised. So thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.